Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up any critical files. This prevents data loss if settings change. Next, make USB recovery media and confirm your administrator password so U1T be locked out. Once ready, restart the PC and press F2 or delete to enter the Asus UEFI BIOS immediately. Timing matters. In the BIOS, move with arrow keys or a mouse and locate the Security or Boot tab. This gets you in position to change secure boot options safely. Once inside, navigate to Boot, then the Secure Boot section. You need to know whether Secure Boot is enabled. Change OS type to Other OS if you must disable Secure Boot for unsigned drivers, or switch to Windows UEFI to enable it for verified boot chains. If prompted about keys, install default Secure Boot keys to enable or clear Secure Boot keys to fully disable enforcement. This is why keys matter. Make deliberate choices. Changing keys affects which binary. You finish by pressing F10 to save and exit. Confirm the action and let the system reboot. If Windows or your OS fails to start, don't panic. Go back into BIOS and either restore defaults or reinstall the Secure Boot keys you saved earlier. If the board U1T respond, use your USB recovery media or clear CMOS with the motherboard jumper to revert settings. One quick troubleshooting tip. Re-enable Secure Boot keys before attempting driver or OS repairs to avoid signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.